can't believe I've had this GoPro Hero 10 for 9 months now. Coming from a GoPro 3, this is a substantial upgrade.
It's cold. Feels good though, doesn't it? Okay. You want me to get in?
I'm kind of cold in here.
The Rainbow River's not cold.
No, I can feel it.
The GoPro Hero 10 can record 23 megapixel images and has 2.7K video and a battery life of about 1.5 hours of recording. The real reason you buy a GoPro though is all the accessories, all the floaty mounts and the tripods and the handheld mounts that float. There's just so many accessories, including a really cool chest mount for mountain biking or paddleboarding. And that's really where their specialty is in all these really cool accessories you can get.
There she goes. There's Zoe.
With our active lifestyle, the GoPro has been really incredible. It's such a great action cam now. In the old days, there used to be a case enclosure you have to keep it out on the water. But now, you can just, charge it, close the door, and just take it out with you anywhere you want to go, because it has a sealed case versus a lot of the cameras that you have to put it in a case. So this is really a great feature that they came out with. And also the sound and everything is really good at ejecting the water. So when you take it out of the water, you don't have bad sound for an hour until it drains out of the camera.
How old is she? Wow. You got one more year and you'll be that good.
Yeah?
She's pretty good on.
She's a water bug.
She's good on that kayak.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that.
I'm 4. I would be 5 at my birthday.
Ooh, happy early birthday.
Thank you for visiting my channel, watching my videos, and please subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.